Hello, my name is Teacher Mara and welcome to Centro Fidei International School. Has been here for already 16 years now. Has started opening programs for preschool, primary, year 2006. And then later on, we added more grade level for high school. And now we have senior high school. So the family is getting bigger and bigger. Year 2015, we launched and we started offering programs for special education. And then later on, we are actually offering programs for hearing impaired students also. Most of the facilities that you can see here would really encourage students to love sports. Like we have soccer, basketball, now we are actually launching golf. We're also affiliated with ATB. It's an international organization to support students who would really wanted to be professional in the field of basketball. So may ganun din tayo. Volleyball, we also offer that. So yun yung siguro I could say one of the best facilities of the school, yung kanyang vicinity. As you can see, kids would really enjoy nature. Campfire 2023 is a two-day event. And this is one of the most awaited event in the school. Especially, it's the first event wherein students would be sent off by their parents after almost 3 years of quarantine. Talagang the kids are so much excited to engage in this activity. We all know camping is really a host of benefits. No? It's not just good for the body, for the mind. It's one way of giving opportunity for the children to develop different skills, especially if they would be disconnected to devices, technology, and also would love nature. I know it would be a good way for them to develop relationship with their friends, diba? Develop more of their confidence, diba? Social skills. So it's really a differentiated task for different learning styles.
Hello everyone, my name is Elijah Navarro Laksamana. I'm from the grade 4 classroom, and the thing that excited me the most Centro Fidei camping is the fact that I get to sleep at school and the fact that I get to do activities with all my friends.
Hello everybody, and my name is Ray Alicia Emmanuel Gigachanko. And the thing that excites me the most in Centro Fidei camping is that I get to express my creativity in some of the activities. I can also be able to have fun with my friends. And there's actually a lot more things that excite me the most. I could even have bonding time with other people and socialize.
My name's Jermaine, I'm grade 5. And the thing that excites me the most in camping is I get to sleep with my classmates, have fun, and then do other activities like the mud racing tomorrow. Hello everyone, I'm Pinoy Sekiferer and I'm from grade 4. Mostly the activities, and I at least get to hang out with my friends more. It is really important to me because it really feels special to me.
For the campers, we really worked hard to prepare for this camping because all we ever wanted is for you to enjoy, have fun, and of course, value and learn a lot from these activities. Well, for the parents who would like to inquire about the school, we would like you to visit or check out our FB page, and you will learn more about the different strategies, activities, and how we develop students Centro Fidei way.